Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and what's up with the vulnerabilities for Windows 11 for the security updates of Patch Tuesday of November 2023. We are November 14th, 2023. And well, first of all, for all of the Microsoft products together, 63 security flaws or vulnerabilities have been fixed. But for Windows itself, in Windows 11, now we have 22H2 and 23H2, and you'll see that they are pretty much the same, a little bit like Windows 10 when we moved on 21H2, 22H2, and so on. The update version build numbers were very close. It's the same thing that's happening now with Windows 11 between 22H2 and 23H2. Once again, if you're on 21H2, there's no more security updates. You do need to update, and if you don't see the update, force update through the Microsoft website. So in Windows 11, 22 and 23H2 have the same vulnerabilities. That's 29 flaws that have been fixed. Of those 29, 2 are critical and 27 are important. The 2 critical flaws are the same as Windows 10, and they are a HMAC key derivation elevation of privilege vulnerability and Windows Pragmatic General Multicast Remote Code Execution vulnerability. These are the 2 critical flaws that are easy to exploit if you just do the right thing. For the others, 27 important, although more difficult to exploit, it still is important to fix them, so it's important to actually go and update your Windows operating system. So if you go and check out if you have it or want to have it now, Windows Update, and your KB number for the download is 503-2190. It is the same number for both 22H2 and 23H2. Same KB build number. And of course, there was a .NET framework update also, and a malicious removal tool update. Now, what are the build numbers if you are in Windows 11? Well, you just go to WinVer, check out the Windows version, and the difference is very minimal. So in Windows 22H2 and 23H2, the difference resides in the first build number. So 22H2, you're getting 22621.2715. And if you're on 23H2 like I am now, it's 22631.2715. So the ending would always be the same on 22H2, 23H2. The only difference is that the build number of 22H2 is 621, and the build number of 23H2 is 631. So that kind of tells us that there's not a lot of differences within the operating system. Remember that if you have not installed the bug fixes for October, they will be installed. And of course, you will get the full-fledged Moment 4 with all or most of the features on now. One thing to note, that speed of the install on this gaming machine was extremely fast. I think the download, install, restart was probably less than 10 minutes. And the restart itself said it would take 3 minutes. It probably took a minute and a half. So less than 10 minutes on this Windows 11 machine for the complete install of the updates. So it's time to update your system to stay safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.